Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanetta Jameer, and I will introduce more of myself later. But now, let's cut to the chase. So you're mad, you're upset, you're pissed off. Yes, the P word, pissed off. You don't know what to do, but you know you gotta calm down right now, or either it's going to get ugly. Cholesterol, your blood pressure, your enzymes, your blood count is all going to go up in a matter of seconds if you don't do these simple things that are going to make you feel better, so you're not all red in the ears, red in the nose, red in the eyes, seeing red, red in the neck. And get yourself back calm, because my channel is about encouragement, wealth, self-love, and a part of self-love is going to, of course, be about your mindset. So stay tuned so I can help you stop being so angry. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Shanetta Jameer, and you heard me right. I was upset. I was acting, of course, but I do get upset. I'm human. I get angry. I was upset earlier, and you guys, I had to calm myself down just because, you know, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It ain't all that. It's not worth it to be upset, you guys, because you need to stay focused and stay good and stay positive so you can get things and tasks done. I used to be the type of person that would get upset. They would just ruin my whole day. I could not function. I was in a bad mood. I was gloomy because I am such a bubbly, happy person. I like to see people happy. I like to make people happy. But for any of you who are just feeling the same way, and that's your personality too, or not, the thing is that if you get yourself to a point where you are totally from your normal self and you will be gloomy, have a bad day, just total polar opposite, nah. We're gonna change that right now in this video. So for those of you who are tuning back in, thank you so much. And for those new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in. So here is one thing that I like to do in order to calm down, get my nerves down, just stay cool, calm, and collected as quickly as possible right here. If you can walk away, you can get some time to simmer down. Walk away. And this part is for those who may be at home and may not be at home. Walk away. If you're not at home, walk away. Walk away. Walk away. You will thank yourself later if you simply walk away. Now for the next one, for those of you who are just like, oh,
that is just so simple to do. That's just so easy to do. That is so simple and easy to do. You don't know. You ain't got no kids. You ain't got this. You're not at a job right now, so you can show me a little bit like
all of that. You can still take the time to walk away briefly, because you will simmer down some. You really, really will. Now for the next one that is not so obvious and simple to do, it is going to be one that you may have not thought of, and it is going to be to get naked. Get naked. Seriously, you guys, take your clothes off, change your clothes. You have no idea what this will do, but it will do this right here. Changing into something that is really loose and not form-fitting will automatically drastically change your mood. I don't care who you are. If you can get out of your clothes, especially if you're wearing something tight, hello, get out of the tight clothes, because your blood is already boiling. Change your clothes. And no, do not change your clothes into a white beater so you can go out and fight. No, don't take your shirt off so you can just start flipping tables. No, change your clothes. Get loose, get free. Ladies, let the girls hang out underneath something. Fellas, y'all know what y'all have to do sometimes. Sometimes you have to let it air out down there and all that good stuff. Anyways, get loose. Not only does getting loose and putting on like a flannel or a big t-shirt, just something looser, you will definitely see a difference, because you're just going to be in a different mindset. You're taking the day off. That is the whole point. Take the day off. off. Don't allow yourself to be in bondage. The key is comfort, not tense, not anxiety, not stress, not feeling restricted, but comfort. And let's get into the next one. The next one, I'm going to be featuring little Mrs. Myers, but you guys, this is not sponsored at all. I bought this myself. Sorry, I had it off. But I'm going to bust this bad boy right here. When you're cleaning, you might as well have some aroma therapy. And I, of course, get to place down candles. So not only am I getting that dose of that good smell from the cleaning product, I am getting this awesome, lovely scent from this candle that I got from Bath and Body Works, and it is the White Dawn Cinnamon Spice Vanilla. But you guys, it doesn't stop here. It doesn't stop here. You want to know why? Because I have 2 candles. This is a great way to simmer down when you have combinations of scents and smells. I'm not talking about just a little spritz and a spray. I'm not talking about just one little lotion, one little candle. No, I'm talking about combinations. It's aromatherapy. And this one, along with White Barn, this is the tea and lemon. You guys, this combination with the cinnamon spice, oh my gosh, the cinnamon spice vanilla and this tea and lemon, like some lemonade and sweet tea. I'm from the South, you already know. How do you not feel better after that? How? I'll wait for you to tell me. And while you're cleaning, got all that good stuff going on, organize, clean up, have some bomb containers that you can put stuff in. Start putting things where you need them to go. I mean, there's no point in being cluttered, unorganized, and come on, get glad. Jesus, just get glad. Make it a priority so you can clear your mind and not have clutter. And finally, you guys, my very last tip is for you to send up praises. Just be thankful, be grateful for everything that you have going on. Really take the time to just sit there and be like, things could have been worse. You know, there are stories all the time on the news. We hear of tragedies, we hear of such bad things going on. Breathe and remember that things could always be worse. You could be missing something really, really needed. You could be, you guys, I don't even want to get into it, but that's just self-explanatory on its own. And when you send praises up, you change the atmosphere. You know, be thankful, be gracious, be happy, be influential, be the type of person who is just so about their happiness and love. Just get back to that place where you once were, right before you got upset, right before you got ill, right before everything just felt like it was crashing down on you, and be thankful. I can't stress on that enough. Sometimes things come against us because good things are happening. So it's just a way of life, just keeping us on our toes and just showing us our strength and building our character. You guys, I have a testimony that I'll link. If any of you were interested in those products, that sponge and that Mrs. Myers, I'll probably link my video to that too. Woosah, relax. And if there's one thing that you could get from this video, just please relax. Just woosah and know that you are stronger than whatever you're going through. Also, for those of you who are fighting depression and things that are really deep down internally that you just cannot shake, and I hope this video was so different and had some things in it that will relax you and make you happy and stop being so upset. No, I'm kidding. Rejoice in its life. It comes with the territory, you guys. You're not the only one going through your situation. So have a wonderful, awesome, blessed day and week whenever you are listening to this video. And check this out. I wish this for you in all of my videos. And this is the perfect one for me to say that. Be blessed, be loved, be encouraged. encouraged, and stay tuned for the next video that's going to help you with self-care, wealth, and encouragement so you can live your dream life every single day so you can have your ultimate dream life. All right, you guys, see you in the next one. Bye.